all the way down. I mean, doesn't get much cleaner than that. Now we're over to our first reheat. So I'll just show you this real quick. So it looks to me like over the years that insulation, because it was so beat up, has certainly contaminated our reheats. So I'll just show you that now. We're going to clean those guys right up. You can see here, a little fuzzy. So I'm going to clean that guy up. Okay, so our reheat is complete. So I'll just show you here. Looks good. Nice and clean all the way around. If you're ever cleaning a coil or you're brushing a coil, you want to be going with the grain. So on this particular coil, we'd want to be going up and down, not side to side, because the coils are quite fragile, and if you go side to side, you run the risk of doing what folks have done over the years. As you can see, they've squished them together, type of thing. So if you just go up and down or follow the grain of the coil, not an issue. The easiest way for me to translate the cleanliness of a coil is to flip my light around, make it dark here, and we'll see if we can see the light through the other side. There's my light. That's the other side of the coil. If you can pick that up. So it doesn't get any cleaner than that. So we'll move on to the next two, and we'll get pictures of these. I'll do still pictures for the reports, and see if we can get a little bit more video here as we close things up. Thanks. Okay, this is our second coil, second of the 3 reheats. This one's actually where we had our negative air unit set up for source removal. As you can see, we've got, I'm just going to pull out our makeshift barrier here. Coil looks to be in pretty good condition. This one's not too bad. It's got a little bit of stuff in the edges and that. So we'll clean this, and I will show you the afters on that one. Okay, one more example of the reheat. This is reheat number 2. So you can see, looking good all the way around. So that's where we're at. Nice clean, clean, disinfected, ready to go, ready for service. Okay, so we're at reheat number 3 here. This one is actually kind of like the first one. It's quite bad. So I'll just show you that. Quite bad. So we'll clean that up, and then clean that up, disinfect it, and show you the final product. Okay, here's our last of the reheats. I'll just put the light through here. Hopefully you can see that light all the way around. You can see that. Bring it around this way. That's our final result. All the way down. So we're disinfected, clean, ready for business. These reheats were quite bad, so I'm happy how they've come up, and they're really the reason I've spent so much time going back to them and showing. I normally just show a couple of examples, but the engineer really wanted to make sure that these reheats are functional and clean and ready for operation. So hopefully this will show that, and anybody else that gets a chance to watch, hopefully you've had a chance to learn a bit about duct cleaning and see how we do things.